When you first create your Facebook page, after sometimes when you add some of the posts in your Facebook page, you will see boosting options appears on your page. So what does it mean, and what does it mean when you run Facebook ads through Business Manager? So are they both same, or what is the difference between them? So there is a major difference between these two platforms for Facebook ads. So I will discuss one by one. So what actually you see on your page, boosting button, this is from Facebook algorithm system. This detects that your posts need to be boosted or promoted on Facebook so that you can reach to millions of people around the world. So this is the right way to advertise your business through Facebook ads, or should you go through Business Manager or hire somebody else? So this video is packed with a lot of information on Facebook boosting versus running ads through Business Manager. So let me explain each one by one. So if you don't know me, I run Facebook ads for business owner here in my country, Nepal, and I even do for international client. So yeah, stick to this video and I will share one of my experience here in Nepal. So what you see here in Nepal particularly, that I have seen a lot of posts promoting Facebook ad services, and every time they mention this word Facebook boosting, we will do boosting your page. And why they mention this keyword is because this keyword is very popular here in Nepali clients, that Facebook boosting, I need Facebook boosting, I need to promote my page through boosting. So this agencies or a freelancer here in Nepal, I have seen a lot of ads where they mention that we will do your page boosting and I will charge this amount. So is this the correct way to promote your business? Basically the answer is no. Facebook boosting is basically designed for layman person who don't know much about advertising tactics and advertising mindset and overall the market and how to use the data to promote the business on Facebook ads platform. So this Facebook boosting is basically designed for laymen who don't have enough knowledge about technical stuff and don't want to hire agencies or freelancer to do their work. So this is the point number one. It's just like when you run Google Ads. When you go to Google Ads, you will see a pre-made template that is based on AI and machine learning from Google. If you want to generate the traffic, just use that traffic. If you want to generate a lot of sales, there is a shopping section. So this thing is designed for especially for laymen, and the same as goes here in Facebook. And in Facebook boosting, what you need to do is just click on Facebook boosting, and you the dashboard will appear, and you have to add your credit card, supported payment method, then upload your ad creatives, whether it's image or videos, then set your lifetime budget or daily budget, and then some basic stuff, and just promote your ads through Facebook boosting. But what actually is not good for that, it limits the control. Facebook boosting limits the control, and it doesn't provide a lot of features that we got from Facebook Business Manager. So I will highlight the two few differences between Facebook boosting versus running ads through Business Manager. So let me explain each one by one, and you will explain. As I told you, that Facebook boosting is designed in such a way that it's for laymen who doesn't want to hire freelancers or agencies and who don't know how to run Facebook ads through Business Manager, and who don't want to go into the hassle of Business Manager, like setting up pixels, ad accounts, and connecting domains and a lot of things. And yeah, so when you run ads through boosting, your ads will only appear in Facebook feed and Instagram feed. Mark my words, when you run your ads through boosting options, your ads only appears in Facebook feed and Instagram feed. So feed is basically your home page when you scroll down your Facebook post or Instagram post. So this is where the ads will only appear. But when it comes to running ads through Business Manager, we have a lot of controls where you can manually set a placement for your ads, whether it's on Messenger, Stories, Messages, feeds, instant videos, and search, and you have a lot of controls. But when it comes to Facebook boosting, you don't have these options. This is the point number one about the placement, and the second, you can't edit the original post. So for example, if you run the ads through Facebook boosting, and later 2 or 3 days, if you decide to just change the image or text, you cannot do that through Facebook boosting. But when it comes to manager, when it comes to Facebook Business Manager, you can do that very easily. You can customize a lot of things. You can change the title, you can change ad creatives, whether it's images, videos, and it goes on to the next review. And yeah, this is the point number 2. And when it comes to, so basically the major difference is about controls and features. What you will get in Facebook boosting is very basic things, and where what you get on Facebook Business Manager, you will get a lot of options, features, and a lot of controls over your ads. For example, you can increase your budget or lower your budget, you can scale later, and you can change the ad creatives. You can add analytics like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and a lot of steps. And yeah, and even you can decide where my ads will appear and where my ads will not appear. So the major difference is basically on controls. What controls you will get in Facebook boosting, and what controls you will get in Facebook Business Manager. So these are the major points. As I told you, that when you run Facebook ads through boosting, it appears only on Facebook feeds and on Instagram feed. That's it. It is basically good for reaching out to people for more brand awareness. But if you want to promote your business in an effective way, most of the advertisers recommend that way. You can set up your ad accounts. Basically, what you will get through Business Manager is, under Business Manager you will get ad accounts. So basically this ad account is kind of a system that pulls a lot of data about your business, and you can keep it, and you can retarget your audience and collect the data, add the analytics and tracking, and you can generate a report, and a lot of things that you can do with Business Manager that you cannot do in through Facebook boosting options. So this is the major difference about Facebook ads running through boosting versus through running Business Manager. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.